you guys are on your PlayStation right now and you're trying to play some Fortnite, Call of Duty, or GTA, and you guys go on your PlayStation and you go to sign in, you guys are getting this error, do not be alarmed. It is a maintenance. It's not a scheduled maintenance, because that is why we are all freaking out right now. But ws-37431-8 is not a permanent break or anything to your PlayStation. If you guys go to network and you guys go to view status of PlayStation Network services, this is for everybody. It will show that the networks are going down on the network service statuses. Alright, scheduled maintenance reminder, it doesn't have anything of that sort. But here you go. It says the start is 8:01/2018, 12 a.m. to 8:01/2018, 12:30, and then 7:29/2018 to 12 a.m. to 7:29/2018 to 12:30 a.m. So it will be over soon, and as you guys can see right here, it is showing the services that are experiencing issues. So we'll be back online soon, guys.